Welcome to SOLIDWORKS Certification for the new Educator. Today, I'm going to talk about SOLIDWORKS Certification. What is it? An online, automatically graded random problem set of exams that prove industry competencies and skills. If you successfully pass a SOLIDWORKS certification exam, you receive a specific SOLIDWORKS certification credential. We have over 1 million SOLIDWORKS certified users worldwide, and our introductory exam, the first level Certified SOLIDWORKS Associate, is given in 13 languages. Employees use SOLIDWORKS certification as a benchmark for new and also existing employees. The job site Indeed.com also explains SOLIDWORKS certifications. We do research with job sites to understand that SOLIDWORKS is the industry standard in 3D CAD software. So no matter what country you're in, it is SOLIDWORKS that is a necessary skill set for your students as they enter the job market. How do you become an academic certification provider? It's simple. As an educator of a qualified school, that means on subscription, you can apply to provide our certification exams free to your students. This is across all grade levels, and it includes all of our associate level exams and professional level exams. You must have a valid .edu address and agree to the requirements, such as the environment for your students will be proctored. The application only takes a few minutes, and you'll hear back in 5 to 7 business days. So what kind of certifications do we offer? For SOLIDWORKS Design Desktop, we begin with the Certified SOLIDWORKS Associate exam, where students receive the first level credential. We also have a variety of exams in additive manufacturing, electrical, simulation, and sustainability. The professional level exams are given first in design and also in advanced exams that follow some of the SOLIDWORKS add-ins that are given to you in the Education Edition. These include things like sheet metal, molding, surfacing, weldments, and a very comprehensive exam in drawing tools. In the 3D Experience X Design, SOLIDWORKS also provides your students with associate and professional level exams. The associate level exams also include collaborative and cloud-based technology exams with 3D Swimmer and Collaborative Industry Innovator. There are 3 levels of SOLIDWORKS certifications. All the associate exams, all the professional exams, you can give for free to your students if you are a provider. The expert level exams are reserved for commercial customers. With the exams, SOLIDWORKS Associate and Professional Level and 3D Experience certifications, students receive digital badges that they can use on their social media. We also provide the educator with important step-by-step e-learning curriculum for preparing students to take the certification exam. These lessons are intense and really work hard to prepare your students to be successful to pass the first time. We also provide step-by-step learning for CSWP exams and you will find this in our curriculum section. I can give you advice for you and your students. Certification requires success. And in order to be successful, take our given practice exams. This prepares your students for the type of questions they're going to receive, and also our virtual tester, which is used to randomize the problem and to also grade the exams. Our 3D Experience Certification Center provides lifelong learning to your students as a metric of the exams they have taken. This is important also for your students to realize that there are other commercial companies that are taking certification exams. The results can be shared with a LinkedIn profile, and as your students graduate and take SOLIDWORKS certification exams over their lifetime, they will receive more and more certification credit. This year, we introduced the SOLIDWORKS Skill Force program. We want to empower the workforce. Our commercial customers are demanding qualified students that know not only our software, but the engineering design process. If you have students over age 18 and they receive an internship, we will provide that customer a commercial license of SOLIDWORKS so your student can work with a commercial license, have the right watermarks and legality, and be able to expand their experience. These students must be certified SOLIDWORKS Associate level and hold a valid certification, which will be checked by the employer. To learn more about academic certification, go to solidworks.com, academic-certification, and to learn more about our curriculum and lessons, go to solidworks.com/curriculum. I used to tell my students that certification is like money in the bank. You'll never know when you're going to need it. And as your students move through job to job, these certifications will stay with them for the rest of their lives. It becomes an exam they will remember. It provides credit to both you and your institution and the SOLIDWORKS community. Thank you.